So, hi guys, this is Gugashri, and I'm going to start a lead code series where I will be solving one lead code per day. Hope you guys will enjoy it with me. In today's video, we are going to see second largest of the array. So, for the code, I've declared an class saying that second max of an array. Inside the main method, I have declared an array of these values, five elements, and also two integers for getting the maximum of second one. So I have declared like max 1 and max 2. Max 1 is initialized with first element of the array, which is the array of 0, and max 2 is initialized with integer dot min value to get the least amount to compare it and get the second largest of the array, second or largest element of the array. Okay. um, and also we are going to use an for loop to traverse along with all the elements of the array. And for the for loop we have a condition that starts with 0, I is equal to 0, and also checks for along lost element. Here we have five elements, so I took I less than 5. And if you guys wanted, you can use array dot length also according to the length of the array, and I plus plus, which is incrementing the array size, array index size. And for the condition, we have two conditions: if condition, if and if else if. Inside the if condition, first we check for array of I, which is 3. It's gonna be, and array of max 1 is also gonna be, which is 3, where we have initialized to array of 0. So first we check for the um, you know inside the first if condition we check for maximum element, and the second one we will be getting the max largest, second largest element. So let's see first. Okay, if array of I, which is 3, greater than array of 3, array of 0 again, which is 3, array of 3 greater than 3, no, it's not true. So we go to jump to else if part. Inside the else if part we have array of I, which is again I is equal to, let me just write here, I is equal to 2. And here also we have I is equal to 0, first thing. So array of I greater than max 2. Max 2 we have initialized with least value. So 3 greater than least value is true. And also we have another condition, which is array of I, which is 3 not is equal to max 1. Absolutely, it's false because till now we haven't changed max 1 value. So 3 not is equal to 3, which is not true. So this condition also will fail. Okay, if condition and else if condition, for the first loop it is failing, and loop is not still running. So I plus plus, and we have will be I is equal to 1. So the phi I is equal to 1. Array of 1 is 9. 9 greater than 3. It is true. So if condition will execute. For the execution, max 2, which is minimum value. Sorry. Max 2. For the max 2, we are assigning max 1 value, which is 9 now. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, 9. Okay. 9 only. Okay. When I is equal to 1, which is array of 9, right? 9 greater than max of max 1, which is 3. 9 greater than 3 is true. So we are going inside the if loop. Inside the if loop we have max 2 is equal to max 1, and max 1 is equal to array of I. We are going to assign change the values. Okay, in this max 2 will become max 1, which is 3. So Here we'll be having max 2 as 3 and max 1 will be assigned as array of 1, which is 9 now. Okay. And then this condition will be not be executing, and I plus plus. So I is equal to 2. When I is equal to 2, which is 2 again, 2 greater than 9. Is 2 greater than 9? No, it is not. So we are going to else if part. Here now I is equal to 2. Array of 2 is also 2 and max 2. Max 2 is 3, okay? 2 greater than 3? No, it is not. So false. Now else if also will not execute. So I plus plus and now I becomes 3. Array of 3 which is 1, okay? 1 greater than 9? No, it is not. So else if now 1 greater than 3? No, it is not. Again, loop continues. Array of, sorry, I is equal to 4. Now, array of 4 is 7. 7 greater than 9? No, it is not. But else if 7 greater than max 2, which is 3. True. Okay. And array of I, which is 7 not is equal to max 1, which is 9. 7 not is equal to 9? True. So else if part will execute. Now max 2 will become array of 3, which is 7. Max 2 we have got 7, okay? And now loop is still there. So loop will be incremented to 5. I 5 less than 5? No, it is not. Loop exits. And now system.out.println we have second largest element as max 2. So 7 will print. Let me first execute. So we have got second largest element as 7. So hope you guys have understood the thing. We are taking the second largest element from the array. Okay. We have an array and we have initialized max 1 is equal to first element of the array, and for our convenient we have took max 2 is equal to integer dot min value, minimum value which is, and in the for loop we are giving all the to traverse all the array we have till the length, and the condition is firstly we are checking for array of array of 1 to get the first maximum number, and in the else if part we are getting the max 2, which is second largest element. If you guys have any doubts, comment me down. I will you know let you get you the answer. Thank you for watching.